So this is day 4, and here is where we're at. So clearly we do have an active starter that is growing, but after 24 hours, we're not doubling in size. It's not growing a huge amount. So we're just going to do regular feeding on this. So what we'll do here is we'll discard half of the contents, and then we'll add 30 grams of flour, 30 grams of water. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. Okay, so we're going to take this starter and we're going to discard half of it. So you can definitely see bubbles on the top. This is definitely active. You can tell that there's air in here. So it's looking pretty good. So we'll take out half of that, maybe slightly more. And then what we're going to do here is add 30 grams of flour. Okay, well, I've run out of my flour mixture. We're at 27. That will do. And then equal amount of water. Okay, it's exactly 27. And then we'll just mix that up, mark the jar again, and we're going to wait 24 hours. I think, as I mentioned to you before, I like to use the back of the spoon for mixing. It's easy to clean off and just seems to do a pretty good job for the mixing. To scrape off the sides so we don't end up with too much dried starter in there. Okay, you can see that. All right, so the line actually pretty much the same as the old line, but I'll wipe it off and put a new line on there, and we'll come back in 24 hours.